Good morning, everyone. It's a gorgeous day to be traveling. It was supposed to be raining and stuff, but I think it's cleared up and it's a nice sunny day. Today we are flying to Tallinn for a 2-week trip around Tallinn, Riga, Warsaw and Krakow. Today I'm preparing a couple of sandwiches and we're going to take some fruit that was in the fridge for the journey because we don't get in till quite late tonight, so it's going to be difficult to try to find something to eat there. So let's get this journey started. Everything is in. There I was getting excited about the self-boarding, but it's not using for this flight. These are the self-boarding gates, but it's not working today. Thank you. Hello. Oops.
Welcome on board 16B. Dog's coming as well.
Yeah, I'll come down in a sec.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard the EasyJet flight shortly departing to Tallinn with a flight time of 2 hours and 20 minutes. We're here to make sure you have a safe and comfortable flight, so if there's anything you do need, please don't hesitate to ask. We're now going over the safety procedures of this Airbus 320, so your attention is greatly appreciated. Thank you.
you very much for looking after us. Thank you.
Very welcome. Bye-bye.
First look at Tallinn skyline. It's past 9:30, but it's still a little bit of sun out. We have to go find our Uber. He said to wait beyond the parking where cars are parked. And here there's regular taxis. People had to queue up, but lots of taxis came pretty quickly. So there was a queue, but it's all just disappeared. This boot is made for us. Oh, you got a car seat as well?
Yeah, I have car seat as well.
Quite a basic room. Big windows. There's a large kitchen in here. There's a oven, microwave thing going on. Big, massive fridge. Very old style. It's got the ice. Hand washing liquid and dishwashing liquid. And sponges and cleaning wipey thing. We can see a lot of nice skyline and night light, but not a lot else. So we'll do a full tour of the area, and we're going for the walking tour in the morning. So we'll see you in the morning. Into our apartment, and then we realized that we needed the milk for tea. So I found on Google Maps a place that said it's open till 11 o'clock, and that was the only place, about 10 minutes walk. So we've come to Solaris. We're gonna go see if they sell milk or not. Hopefully they do. Bread's not too expensive. On the way back we found the Good Price supermarket, which our neighbor on our plane had suggested, but it would have been closed anyway, but we found it now, and it's quite close to our apartment. Probably you can see the red light of the building opposite us. We managed to get all our supplies, the milk, the butter, the jam, the bread, some eggs as well. If you know anything about the British, you know that they always travel with their tea. So we brought our tea with us. So we're going to have some tea and rest. See you in the morning. We're doing the walking tour hopefully tomorrow. They have a few different times, so hopefully we'll make it to one of them. See you in the morning. Good night.